ready to unlock exclusive content and build a thriving community right on your Wix website. First, head over to your Wix website editor on the left-hand side, find and click the Pages and Menu icon. It looks like a stack of pages. Now, at the bottom of the menu, click on Add Page. A window will pop up. Choose the Members Area option. Wix will automatically create a few essential pages for your members area, like a login page, a sign-up page, and a members profile page. You can customize these later. Click Add to Site. Great, now, let's decide what content will be exclusive to your members. Go back to Pages and Menu. Select the page or pages you want to make members-only. Click the three dots next to the page name. In the drop-down menu, choose Permissions. A new window will appear here. Select Members Only. You can choose if all members can view the content, or only specific members based on pricing plans or roles. And that's it. Publish your site to make the changes live. You've now successfully created a members-only area on your Wix website.